Is your LB button on your Xbox controller not working? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many gamers face this problem, but the good news is, it's easy to fix if you follow the right steps. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have your controller working like new. So first, you're gonna try cleaning your controller. So dirt and dust can make buttons stick, and a good wipe down with a soft cloth can solve a lot of problems. Second, make sure that there are no loose wires or broken connections. Sometimes a loose connection can mess with the LB button. You can also try resetting your controller by holding the sync button for a few seconds and then reconnecting it. Another simple trick is replacing the LB button if it's broken. You can buy a replacement kit online and follow easy instructions to replace it. If the button is still not working, you might need to update your controller's firmware. Just plug it into your Xbox or your PC and check for any updates in the settings. Finally, if all else fails, consider buying a new controller. If your controller is too old or damaged, it might be time for a fresh start. Now, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe for more tips like this. See you soon. Ciao.